romper. Gonna win it again. Win it again.
You like coming out here cooking?
Sir.
We're out here with the Pete Morris. Pete, what are we out here doing today?
We're out here raising money for a local high school here. This is a private high school. There's probably going to be anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 people here today. We have 28 cooking teams, 8 burger teams, and we're just out here to have a good time and raise a lot of money.
What all goes in that burgoo?
In the burger, there's a whole lot of things. There's taters and cabbage, and, corn, and ketchup, and onions.
Now, what's the secret to winning the butt contest today, Pete?
Just having spot on dip.
Spot on dip. You think that open pit's gonna help you any?
Oh yeah, it's got a big advantage over everybody on these smokers here. Got a lot more flavor on the open pit with the hickory wood.
All right, Pete, good luck, man.
Appreciate it.
Over top this flaming hot kettle of burgoo. Here, my cousin James, he keeps stirring it. Don't want it to burn at the bottom. James, what's going on?
I tell you what, we're cooking some burger here today. Been cooking it all morning. It's delicious. Got a bunch of taters in there, little beef, little chicken, little pork, bunch of tomatoes, little seasoning cayenne pepper,
Taters,
bunch of taters, bunch of taters.
James, what's the chances of us winning back-to-back years with this burgoo?
You kidding me? Number one. We won last year. We're gonna win again this year.
Now, everybody, let me step back and show you what James is wearing. A Kentucky romper here, some overalls made into shorts.
Stirring all morning long.
How early did you get here, James?
About 4 in the morning.
4 in the morning. You've been stirring burgoo.
Yes, sir.
What time we get to pull it off? 1 o'clock?
About an hour.
About an hour. 1 o'clock. We'll be
1
pulling off the
o'clock.
burgoo to turn it into the judges.
Best burger you ever tasted in your life, I promise you. Number one.
All right, thanks,
First place sport, and I said this would never happen, but it did. Back to back, 2001. I said it would never happen, but it did.
Got a bunch of taters in there,